The company has been around since 2007, and all value that we create stems from a technology that we developed, which enables us to develop stable liquid therapeutic proteins and peptides. Most pipelines of most pharmaceutical companies these days are dominated by proteins and peptides, and yet stability of those is one of the major hurdles in their development and their use. Simply, it's very difficult to develop liquid formulations of those products, and the technologies that we have can enable formulate proteins and peptides in a way that allows them to be formulated as liquid products with all the convenience for the patients and the healthcare providers. A great thing about our technology is that we use excipients in the formulations which are already approved. So we don't have to go through the difficult regulatory process, which we would have to go if we used novel excipients. The technologies are based on unique insights into how small molecule excipients interact at the surface of the protein, and in this way they render the protein more stable. In other words, they prevent aggregation, for example, or they prevent other chemical modifications, which are the typical degradation problems of those therapeutic products. Most of the customers are big pharma companies. We obviously, as I said, their pipelines are dominated by proteins and peptides, and they need us because we can enable their liquid products in development. But also, in many cases, we are involved in life cycle management. What it means is that they already have a product on the market, but it may be a lyophilized powder, for example, which is not very convenient for the patient and for the caregiver. So we get engaged in the life cycle management and develop a differentiated and a better product. Most of our customers actually are not in Cambridge, and most of the companies that we work for are in the United States. However, it's the Cambridge network which is absolutely essential. It's not just image, it's really, whatever we need. There may be certain techniques that we need to use, there can be certain advice that we need, and there is always someone very near that we can talk to, which wouldn't happen in different places.